New object detected. In between 3i, Atlas, and Earth, a deep dive. In recent months, astronomers have been closely tracking the interstellar visitor 3i, Atlas, the third confirmed object known to have entered our solar system from beyond the sun's grip. Space +2, NASA science +2. According to official data, 3i Atlas poses no threat to Earth and will not come closer than about 1.8 astronomical units, 270 million kilometers, to our planet. NASA science 1. However, in some speculative reports and media coverage, there are claims of a new object being detected in the trajectory path between Earth and 3i Atlas, possibly along the same line of sight or orbitally interposed. While these claims lack peer-reviewed confirmation, they have stirred interest. Here's what is known and what remains uncertain. What we do know about 3i Atlas: 3i Atlas was discovered on July 1st, 2025 by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile. NASA science. Its orbit is hyperbolic, indicating it is not bound to the Sun and is traveling through our solar system from interstellar space. Space. Observations show unusual features. For example, it appears to emit light in circumstances that do not completely match standard comet behavior. New York Post +1. Its composition appears atypical. High carbon dioxide content, relatively low water ice, and other anomalies are being reported. Northeastern Global News +1. The new object claim. The claim, a previously undetected object lies between Earth and 3i Atlas, either another interstellar visitor, a fragment, or perhaps a satellite artifact. According to some speculative sources, this object might be small, faint, and only recently flagged as moving along a similar trajectory or line of sight. The detection reportedly emerged from certain telescope surveys or archival reanalysis, though no formal publication has yet publicly confirmed the find. Some suggest that if true, this would hugely complicate the observational picture. Two or more interstellar objects or fragments closely aligned, which is statistically very unlikely under current models. Why this matters? If true, it would challenge our models of how many interstellar objects pass through the solar system, their trajectories and frequency. It would raise questions of fragmentation. Did 3i Atlas split? Or is the new object a separate body ejected from the same parent star system? It might have implications for detection surveys. Perhaps many faint interstellar objects go unnoticed because of limited sensitivity and cadence. For observers and spacecraft planners, it would present a unique dual-target scenario. Could future missions study both objects? On the more speculative side, it could raise questions about whether interstellar objects might carry debris fields or swarms, which is not currently part of standard models. The caution and current consensus: leading institutions, such as NASA and other observatories, emphasize that no confirmed object has been publicly reported in the peer-reviewed literature that sits between Earth and 3i Atlas. Most of the new object mentions appear in media outlets or op-eds rather than scientific journals. It's entirely possible that observations of 3i Atlas itself, e.g. its faint tail, coma, or fragments, are being misinterpreted as separate objects. Until a formal announcement comes, the claim remains speculative. My verdict: while the notion of a new object detected between Earth and 3i Atlas is intriguing and would be headline-worthy, current verified data does not support it. What is supported: 3i Atlas is unusual, significant, and being actively studied. The new object claim could be a misidentified fragment, detection artifact, or media exaggeration. I recommend treating it as a possible hypothesis, but not confirmed fact.